Good morning, beauty. So a lot of you loved my day in the life as I work type of video, so I thought I would do it again because I've just been working like a crazy person. So that's kind of what all I've been doing. So I want to let you know it's the morning right now. I woke up, I made the bed, and I'm gonna just take you through the day of my work and what I do to keep my mind and body and business healthy. So for starters, this is where it gets started, is on this bed when I first wake up. And I talk about this so much, and I've made specific videos about this and how to really improve yourself. And I start off with meditation, reading. I'm almost done with this book, and also journaling / writing down my goals and things like that, because that helps me focus on the day and it helps me start out the day in a really positive way. Hello, I have made it to the gymnasium, the gym. I feel like it's so much easier to get a workout done when you do it first thing in the morning, although that is always not the case with me because sometimes I just want to get straight to my computer and start work. But it's a lot harder to motivate myself after the day has gone. So I figured today, on this beautiful day, I'll just do it today. Yesterday I did it in the afternoon as well, so we're here. I'm probably gonna do some legs and also treadmill. Yesterday I did the Peloton and I did an arm weight workout. And by the way, I'm really shiny because I put on a lot of sunscreen. I always wear sunscreen if I'm stepping foot outside or if I'm at home because it's the best thing to do. People take care of their face, and I have sunscreen on too, but no one ever puts it on their neck and chest, but that's part of your face too. You gotta keep youthful, and prevention is the #1 thing. Here is the outfit, just a sports bra and Nike pants and some weightlifting shoes. I don't really care too much about coordination so much. I just put on whatever is in my closet, and most of my things are neutral colors for working out, so they match. But these pants are really comfortable. I think they're supposed to be jogger pants. That's why they're super loose. But they're just, yoga pants are great for working out, but I can't wear them for extended periods of time because I feel like they're suffocating. But these pants are really loose and they're supposed to be this way. I know it looks like they don't fit too well, but they're runner pants and this is my typical size that I get in everything. So let's go work out. There's a pancake party going on. Chocolates, blueberries. We have raspberries too. Jam, yum. And just a little Desperate Housewives as the nom is happening. Hello, some time has passed since I was working out, and I thought I'd actually walk you through my kind of everyday makeup situation. So basically, I had a late lunch, I took a shower, I did a little bit of hair, and now I'm actually gonna get ready. I wanna take you over here, but the lighting is just not as good over here, so I don't know. I think we'll figure it out. It's not that bad. But here's what I'm wearing. Just the casual sweatpants and shirt. What I'm doing actually is I'm working on a new program, basically how to make money, because I've tried different things and I have multiple streams of income, not just from the Amazon business I do, but so many other things. There's so many opportunities to make money and actually turn your passion into income. And I really want to share that with you. So I've been working for a few weeks on this program right now. That's why I'm kind of getting ready to film a little bit, but I don't want to do my full face of makeup. I love filming content, and especially when it has to do with financial freedom and financial income is actually one of my most favorite things to do because, you know, I have students who have results and it's honestly the most amazing feeling. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Set that. I don't know, the lighting is just not that great here. On another note, let me know what you think about a program like that if you would be interested in the comments. And this is going to be centered around really making money from anything you're slightly good at or passionate about, and also your personal brand. It's going to be a very comprehensive program for literally everything. And I think there's so much power with making income online right now. So that's why I wanted to put it out. So let me know if you're interested in that. Maybe I'll have a wait list for the program and email notification down below if you're actually ever interested. But for now, let's just get into some sort of makeup, because right now I'm literally not wearing anything. I have a little bit of castor oil in my eyebrows and my skincare. But for starters, let's go with sunscreen. This is what I do pretty much every day. This one is by La Roche-Posay, and it's tinted, so it gives you kind of this even skin tone and protects you from the sun and also from blue light. So this is my everyday routine. Let me take you to the light. You've asked for it. This is literally all it is. So let me go here. You can see that in better light, it looks way better. My skin is great, my eyebrows are up, and my lips have a little bit of an outline. So this is literally what I do every single day, and it works. Yeah, but I'm not gonna bore you with a full makeup tutorial on camera right now, but a lot of you have been asking, and here it is. So the rest of my day, I'll take you along too. I'm gonna do some filming, more of my program, and then some typing on the computer, because I always gotta do that. So yeah, let's keep going. We're back again. So it's been some time. I filmed some YouTube videos for you and some TikToks. Now I feel like I'm actually gonna pass out. Like, I literally realized I haven't ate since breakfast because time just goes on so fast. So I'm gonna go down to the kitchen and make some healthy. I'm thinking rice, jackfruit, mushrooms, and then I'm just gonna relax for a little bit before getting back to work. So here's a little update. Some rice particles, yum, healthy. Then there is some mushrooms over here, yum, and jackfruit. Jackfruit is actually a fruit, but it can be made in this delicious form to make it look like meat, but it's not. Very healthy, all vegano, which is vegan, yum, healthy for you. It is officially the end of the day. It's midnight, 12:21 right now, a little later than usual. But while I was gone, what happened was basically I filmed a lot of videos for YouTube, and that's what I did. Today is Saturday, so I didn't really have any dramatic work to do, such as, like for business, because all the suppliers are on weekend. But tomorrow is Sunday, which means in China it's Monday. So tomorrow is going to be more of a computer type day, but I like to alternate my days between filming content and then actually sitting down and spending quite some time on my computer. So tomorrow is probably going to be more of that. So I hope you enjoyed this day in my life of kind of like a chill work day, and subscribe to the channel. Check out my programs down below. Let me know how your day is in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.